irreversible damage in many adults. Humira works by targeting and helping to block a specific source of inflammation that contributes to early symptoms. Humira has been clinically studied for over 20 years.
Humira can lower your ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis. Serious, sometimes fatal infections and cancers, including lymphoma, have happened. As a blood and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and new worsening heart failure. Before treatment, get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you've been to areas where certain
He's trying to mock
infections
you.
are common.
I
If you've
know.
had TB, hepatitis B, are prone to infections, or have flu-like symptoms.
Still has the hiccups.
Infection.
Ready for a new chapter?
He still has the
Talk to your
hiccups.
rheumatologist. This is Humira.
Is it actually the hiccups or is it him just...
No, he
No,
has
it's
the hiccup.
hiccuping. I can feel him jolt.
Oh, jeez.
Master the drive with Black Friday savings at Nissan. Save up to $11,260 on select models, or lease it fast for $159 per month. Try to see Star Wars: The Last Jedi in theaters
But I
December
heard the
15th.
Star Wars.
Yeah.
Why am I sitting here at
Oh.
this ridiculously long
He
table?
gets knocked off balance when he hiccups.
All my friends in the industry do like this. Fast food's first ever ribeye. Made with 100% ribeye beef, ingredients, red wine glaze, and creamy Havarti cheese. Here comes the competition now. Of course, they work together. Except for this one. He is so sweet. Havarti and grilled onion.
Santa got Amazon Prime thanks to my PCS. Talking about present. You switched and got that free phone with an unlimited plan. You're always watching tons of movies. What about the kids? Amazon has tons of kids movies too. Dylan, you're going to be waiting a while.
I'm trying to stop the bomb, but I can't.
This free Samsung Galaxy J7 Fold. With unlimited
What?
LTE data for only $100
What?
Metro PCS. Wireless. Figured out.
Into the McDonald's 100-point halftime report. Producer Shirley King 42-40. Michael, not a whole lot of offense from either team in this first half. Not a lot of shots falling down. Let's get to our Nissan halftime highlights. Damian Lillard is the bright spot on offense for the Trailblazers. He's got 16 points in the first half here, Michael. It seems like a three-point shot. How is Dame taking advantage of a Sacramento defense that seems to be packing things in?
Well, because they're back in it, they realizes the opportunity is from behind the arc or fade from behind the arc. And Sacramento had a lot of indecision at the point of the screen when it came to Damian Lillard. And then that's just professional grade, going left hard and pulling up.
Dame 16 points, 5 of 10 shooting from the field. That includes 4 of 8 beyond the arc.